going on, guys? So, I asked my friends if, what would happen if I put my Xbox One controller in the microwave? And they said that, don't put it in the microwave for that. Don't put it in the microwave or else it will get messed up. So I'm gonna put my controller in the microwave today. As you can see, the batteries are in. Nothing. Okay. So this is the microwave. Sorry, we just ate dinner. Okay. Well, yeah, they said if you put your controller, your Xbox One controller in the microwave, you're screwed. Yeah, because my other one doesn't really work correctly. So it's the microwave, and yeah, looks like it's doing nothing. Nothing happened. So guess it's gone. Guess nothing happened. So nothing happened when I put my controller in the microwave. So yeah, it's all fine. Nothing's burnt. I mean, does it still work? It still works. I mean, so yeah, that was putting the controller in the microwave. Nothing happened. I mean, yeah. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next time.